Some unique flashlights, but this one's definitely unique. This is the MX 5092. This is the guy right here. It comes in a couple different colors, but you can see what you're kind of working with here. You have a clip, you have magnets, so you can put this onto a magnetic surface, right? Like that. You got two lights, button back here. It turns on the front light, right? So it's something like that. And then you have this articulating light, kind of like this wiring light over here. You know, so pretty neat. You can have this sort of down here and facing down. The light was out here, you know. So really neat, and it wraps up real nice. So you can actually just use it like a normal front-facing flashlight as well. It has a power indicator on the back. This is how you get power into it. It does come with a USB-C cable. It's USB-C, which is nice. And just overall, it's small and definitely good. Fits in your pocket. It's just a nice little flashlight. This is the MX 5092.